I'm Jeremy Tardo, fashion and celebrity hair colorist. I am here today to do a step-by-step video for you guys on how to use Clairol Natural Instincts for your at-home color toners. Natural Instincts is a gloss toner color that you can use to darken the hair but not lighten the hair. So a gloss or a toner is great when you have highlights in the hair from the salon and the toners have faded out over time. You know, it's spring, we're looking at warmer colors. I think it's really nice when you can do a gloss at home because it's a quick, easy way to refresh your color for the season without having to be in the salon. Sometimes, especially lately when the salons have been closed, I've been recommending this as an option for my clients to do their toners themselves. So this is Jen, and Jen has some old highlights that the toners have kind of faded off of. You can see just kind of what the bleach does without the toner. And today I'm gonna help guide Jen through doing her own color gloss toner to refresh her hair for spring at home herself. Have you ever done your own toner in the past?
No.
How do you feel about doing this yourself today?
I'm so used to you doing my hair and it being so perfect that I am a little nervous about it, but I trust that with your guidance, it will look good.
So you can see how the color is light here from the toners having washed out of her hair. So for Jen, I chose 6G, which is a light golden brown. And that's just gonna help to redeposit some of the natural looking pigment onto the light hair. So when you have colored your hair recently in the last 3 months, you're gonna take care of the regrowth application first for 15 minutes and then just add it to the ends for the last 5. If you've never colored your hair before, or if you haven't colored it in the last 3 months, it's good to go ahead and use the product all the way from the scalp to the ends. So when we do the toner on Jen's blonde pieces, another benefit that she's actually going to get is that it just helps to blend. She has very few gray hairs, but it just helps to blend that a little bit. It will make the grays look more like highlights. I'm gonna let you go ahead and just apply this, in your case, from scalp all the way to ends. Toners are really easy to apply because you're basically just getting it all throughout your hair. There's a lot less chance of error than when you're trying to be really specific about an application. So I'm gonna have you just add a line of it near your scalp. And you can take your finger and just kind of move it into the hair as you do that. Yeah. And then part underneath that, do the same thing. Part underneath that, do the same thing. And then we're just gonna use the gloves to massage it throughout the hair and get it all throughout your hair. A lot of times what I like to do with toner is, do you see where your highlights sort of start?
Yes.
It's nice to almost add it to that hair first, but that'll sit on a little bit longer than the ends to give you a transition from dark to light, which looks more natural. Now that it's all over your roots good, I'm gonna have you go ahead and add it everywhere to the ends.
So the kind of chemicals that I'm used to getting from your salon,
Yeah.
is it comparable to what I'm getting out of this bottle?
So actually with some over-the-counter products, there are chemicals in them. This one is really nice because it legitimately has no ammonia. It's vegan, it's really gentle on the hair, so it's really not gonna damage your hair at all. A little personal tip, something I like to do with toners myself, is when I first wet the hair, when I'm starting to rinse it, when I just wet the hair a little bit, turn the water off, and then just continue to emulsify the toner into the hair while it's wet. It will just help to get saturation on any areas that you could have missed when it was dry.